Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shiann and I'm back with another YouTube video. And this video is just going to be on this makeup. And yeah, it's going to be everyday makeup routine. And hopefully you enjoy this video. And if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, because I don't see why not. And follow me on Instagram, because that's where I be at BADDIE. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Keep on watching the whole video. And we're just going to get right into the video. Okay, so I'm just gonna be showing you how I do my everyday makeup routine. So yeah, we're gonna start. So the first thing that I use is this CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I'm just gonna use that to moisturize my face. Yeah, this is just a regular lotion, so. So yeah, and I just got my hair back and I tied my hair up because I just did my edges because they was looking head. So now I'm gonna use this poreless putty primer by e.l.f. and I'm just gonna put this on my cheeks because that's where the most pores are at. Hopefully you like this quality. I'm using my phone, which is the iPhone 11, so hopefully the quality is A1. So now I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. poreless face primer and use a little bit of this on the rest of my face. It feels weird when you rub it, so that's why I just pat. Now we're gonna move on to foundation, and I use two foundations just because it's a little hard for me to find my color, so I just use two. So I'm gonna be using the Dream Urban Cover by Maybelline foundation. This one just has SPF in it, and I'm gonna use the Dream Radiant Liquid, just regular hydrating foundation, and they look the exact same. Different packaging, of course, but it's by Maybelline, the same exact line. Use a little bit because it's hot as hell outside and you do not need a lot of foundation. So I'm literally just gonna, that's all you need. You don't need a lot. And I'm just gonna put a little bit just because this one is darker and the other one is lighter, so I just gotta mix the two and make a good shade, because it's better to go darker than lighter, but I just want to mix it too because I don't want to be super dark, because then I feel like my face ends up looking completely dark at the end. So yeah, so now I'm finna just going with this. It's kind of dirty at the end, but I just use this to mix it. And yeah, that's it. I don't use a lot of foundation because it's hot as hell outside and you just do not need a lot. So I just go and put that literally on my dark spots. So it's kind of like spot concealing, but not really because it's foundation. I just take that and put that on my dark spots. I feel like the no makeup is kind of the best because you don't have to put on a lot of foundation when you're gonna be piling a whole lot of other stuff on your face. And it looks like I have really clear skin because of my phone. Like, trust me, I don't have clear skin at all. I wish I did. So now I'm gonna go with this Mario Badescu, I think that's how you Badescu facial spray. I just got it today, so I'm just gonna spray my face with that. I think I sprayed a little too much, but it's cool. So now I'm gonna go in with this Real Techniques brush. This is a 200 brush, and I'm gonna go in and blend out that product. And I'm gonna bring that down to my neck. Oh, and by the way, I have dry skin, so yeah. So I just got finished blending out all that on my face. So now I'm gonna move on to concealer, and this is how I look, pretty glowy. What concealer do I want to use today? Ugh. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer, and this is in the shade Deep Caramel. And I'm just gonna put this under my eyes to highlight. And I don't bring that too far out because I just think it looks super weird when concealer is just brought all the way down, especially if you have like a fat face like me. Like, y'all, I have a fat face. Like, from an angle, my face looks fat as hell. I just put that under my eyes, on my forehead, on my chin, right there, and I don't put nothing on my nose because I just don't really know how to contour my nose yet, so I don't put nothing on it, but coming soon. Ooh. So now I'm gonna take this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 35, and this is how it looks. This is the Fit Me. I have a lot of these. I keep getting the wrong shade, that's why I have a lot. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cream contour. And the cream contour that I've been using, this is the e.l.f. cream contour palette, and I use this one. I really just dibble and dabble into both of them, but I hit pan on this one yesterday because I tried to do this video yesterday. I put that all around my forehead and right here to chisel down that double chin. And I don't put on a lot because if you use a lot of cream contour, you could dead seriously look extremely cakey, and that's just not what you want. Like, you don't want to look cakey. I'm not a stylist. I never do nobody makeup. The only piece of makeup that I do is my own, but I do know a little something or two, okay? So yeah, now I'm gonna blend that out. So now I'm done blending. I'm gonna go back in with this brush and just pat right there where that line of demarcation is and blend it out. I just pat because I don't like to swipe. I just feel like it's moving my product too much. So now that I look kind of crazy, so now I'm gonna set under my eyes. Now that I've blended out that's where that contour was and that concealer, it's really pretty. So now I'm gonna set under my eyes, and what I'm using to set under my eyes is this Morphe setting powder. This is in the shade Banana, and this is really inexpensive. This costs $12 and it works really good. Like, I don't get any flashback. It looks really pretty on my skin. Some people do have bad experiences, but I mean, it just depends on what you like. Like, I think you should try it. Is that also for $12? Not that expensive, especially for the quality. So today I think I'm gonna set with this setting brush by Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna go into that, blow it off. Oop, that was a lot. I blew it off a lot. Sweetie, wasting product. I need to get another one of these before I go back home now. And I just said, oh, look at how pretty that looks. Oh my god. I want to start using my phone, but then again, I have a camera that my grandma literally bought for me because I wanted to do, well, okay. So when I got my iPhone 6s, which was years ago, so that's when I like started to do YouTube because I really wanted that phone so my YouTube videos could be pretty good. But obviously now the iPhone 6s quality is way played out. Then I got a camera, like, was it the next year? I got a camera. Yeah, I think it was the next year after I got that iPhone. So my grandma bought me a camera. Hold on, let me sit under my eyes and then I'm gonna talk. Okay. So I set under my eyes. So yeah, the next year I got an iPhone. This year I got the Canon something. The Canon XX. I got a Canon camera. I'm put on the screen. It wasn't like the G7X. I wish I would have got the G7X, but honestly, it was way more than my grandma wanted to pay. it was like $500, $600 at the time. I don't know. I think the price thing. I don't know if Canon makes cameras like comes up with a new camera every now and then, but yeah. And then, you know, the quality was good, but now I'm a different person. I'm a different type of, you know, I just look at a different type of quality. You know, I want a different type of quality, and my phone definitely has that, but it's like I have a camera and I don't want to sell it because I don't like to give away stuff that my grandma gets me, because I just value everything that she buys me, literally. Like, I really do. Let's get back on to the tutorial. That was just a little commercial break. Seriously, so now I'm gonna go in and set my whole entire face before I do that contour, because like, of course I cream contoured, but I'm gonna set my whole face before I powder contour, because it just makes it look less patchy when you set your whole face before you powder contour. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna set my whole face with this Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Powder Foundation, and this is in the shade Truffle. If I forgot the shades of certain names of certain things, I'm gonna put it on the screen, because I feel like I'm not being a beauty guru. Okay, I'm gonna put this on my face. I'm just using this fluffy brush. I got this from Five and Below, and I thought this was like perfect to set my whole face, and I got this the other day, and I'm happy I got it because I really like it. I just take that and I just set my whole face. I look so pretty all the time. That's crazy. I'm not bragging. I am really good looking though. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm about to bake. But now I'm finna do my eyebrows. So I look crazy, but don't worry, trust the process. So mind you, I haven't done my eyebrows in a long time, so they're gonna be looking a little crazy, but don't worry about that, okay? So I did my eyebrows. I'm hella irritated because a tear came down because I don't know why my eyes were watering, but whatever. I'm finna put on my bronzer. I'm gonna fix that, but yeah, did my eyebrows and I'm pissed because they don't even look the same, but it's whatever. Okay, I'm gonna clean up that bronzer. Now I don't let that powder sit for too long just because I don't see no need to. So now I'm gonna just dust the powder off. I'm finna go back in to fix that. I look really ashy right now, but don't worry. But I'm finna go back in to fix that. Put a little bit more wet concealer on there, on that little spot. Blend that out over that a little bit, and kind of just, I'm gonna sculpt my nose out. Now I'm finna go with my Juvia's Place palette. I keep forgetting to look at the camera. I'm gonna go with my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and take this brown shade. I'm just gonna take this brush, just a little bit. I put too much, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. My shirt says Wanderlust. I think it's so cute. Like, I just think this shirt is so cute. Let me wipe off my hand because I do not want to get this white shirt dirty. Now I'm finna set my face with my setting spray, which is the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray and the Morphe Continuous Mist setting spray. Well, I just used this Better Than Sex mascara. This is the sample size. They gave this to me when I was at Ulta because, I don't know, they gave me this in like a Too Faced bag, and I really like that. Let me stop playing before I mess up. So I don't know where I was left off, but now I'm gonna put on blush. Oh, I was doing my mascara. So now I'm gonna use this Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna just use this orange shade. I like how orange looks. So now lastly, I'm gonna be doing my lip, which I'm just gonna use that same pencil that I use for my eyebrows. I'm gonna do this real quick because my storage on my phone, sweetie, I have too many pictures. So now that I put on my lip liner, I just lined my lips. I don't know if the camera got it, but I just lined my lips with the same thing that I use for my eyebrows. And now I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Lifter Gloss. I just put this lip gloss on, so this is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. So I'm done and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I just did my hair, just put my hair down. I just pinned it back. So yeah, I think the look came out really cute. It's very inexpensive. Like, I don't use expensive products at all, hell no. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. And I love y'all. I love the little bit of people that do be on my channel. So yeah, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.